Here's how to make a video faster in CapCut. Now, if you're in CapCut and you want to make a specific part of the video fast, or the entire thing you want it to make faster, I'll show you how to do it. Let's open up CapCut here, and we're going to tap on New Project, and then just open up a random video here and hit Add. Now that we've done that, we can change basically the speed of it. Tap Edit at the bottom left here. And then you can see right next to split is speed. Let's tap on that. And this is where you have two different options. One is normal, which is where you can make the video faster across the entire video, or curve means that you can make some part of it faster, some part of it slower, and you can control exactly when you want it to be faster or slower. So let's tap on curve here, and you can see there's some built-ins. You can see it will walk you through exactly what those look like. Just tap on them and you can see if you want to use those or not. And then if you want to just make part of it faster, let's hit custom here and hit edit. What you can do is just speed up a specific part of the video. So let's say I want to speed up that part. So I can do that. Basically have that part faster and the rest at normal speed, slower speed, whatever you want. Hope this helps. Do you have any questions on that? Leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.